Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive that I'm using as my work planner. And this is actually going to be my last plan with me in my Archer and Olive because as of the week of November 29th, I will be moving into my Hobonichi weeks. But this week I thought, you know what, I might as well do one kind of winter floral spread using winter florals from According to Allie mixed in with some of her Sage alcohol ink and then maybe a smattering of some washi. Let's get started. First thing I've done is go ahead and white out all of the days of the week just because I know I don't really need all of them. So I'm gonna pull this off here. I love all of Allie's illustrations and I love how beautiful her stickers are. To me, there's just something about all of her stickers that amaze me every single time that she does them. So this is going to be strange because we basically have a half day on the Wednesday, off Thursday for American Thanksgiving, and then I'm not working the Friday, but I am working the Saturday. So how am I going to... you know what, I'm going to put all the days of the week up here. This will be a day off, and then that'll be Saturday, and then the notes will go down here. Sure, why not? I'm going to find, I took these out, my days of the week stickers. I love my blackout day stickers. I think these are just super fun. I think the blackout days are my favorite, and I think I'll probably redo these with a different font in them, with the monoline instead of the brush script. I love the brush script, but I also like the monoline when I want just something a little bit different. It's funny, out of all of the stickers that I've created, I think the blackout days, along with the work stickers, are the ones that I use the most. So maybe I'll put day off stickers on Thursday and then Friday, and then leave Saturday as kind of like the to-do list. Since I am Canadian, but I work in a US contact center, I get the similar days off. Ooh, I need an alcohol ink in the corner. I get the similar days off. How do I want to do this? Put it like this, and then I'll cut the end. But because I'm not actually celebrating Thanksgiving, I volunteered to do the Saturday because I knew the rest of my colleagues would be celebrating with their families, so I thought, why not? Oh, this is the rounded corners are hard to cut. Okay, so then, oh, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm going to take stickers from the Jewel Tone sticker book because I think the blues match quite well, as well as some of the greens that are in here. So what is available? Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to use this for, I mean, there will be a ton of meetings on the Monday. And then I'll use, I don't have any brown, it's just this kind of bronzy foil, but I do have green. I'll use a green right down here. Although, which green would work? Actually, this one. This looks a little festive. And I don't mind them overlapping like that, as long as they're mostly straight. That one back here. Ooh. Let's put them back properly, Karina, so that I don't wreck the sticker. Then one more here, which will basically be a half day. So I'm going to just put this blue sticker. And then I won't really put anything on these unless, let's find, I have my wintry quotes here. That's the bucket list. Okay. I like that. Winter, well actually, this Cornell is bright. Ooh, you know what? It's Thanksgiving in the US, right? So I need Thanksgiving quotes. So just even a be grateful, give thanks. And I want to combine that with this blue washi. Oh, I like the look of that. Okay. And then I feel like on Saturday, maybe I'll put down a box just to add a little bit more depth to that area. Like this box. And it'll basically be my to-do list for the weekend. Now, I can add, let's see, let's add this down here. With, I feel like I like these two washi together. I'm gonna, because it feels festive. But I also love the blue. I love the mix of the blue and the red in this spread. I'm happy to mix that up. Then I'm gonna put one of these down in the corner here, along with, I'm gonna mix it with some grid washi, because you know I have to. I haven't even opened this one yet. Interesting. You'd think I had opened up all of my grid washi already. Oh, because it's, I hate that. I don't like that type of washi. I would rather have it be already sticky. Cute. And then I think I'm going to add whatever's left of this in this corner here. It's going to look a little odd. But then I'll cut off that corner here and then add, so I've used pretty much one of every sticker, and then add a little bit of this. I feel like I need to add like other things in here, especially this day feels so like empty. Maybe some, let's go into here, my to-do stickers. I feel like to-do stickers would be really good with a little bit of washi as well. Let's try this one just to add a little bit more red into the spread here. Red into the spread. Okay. And again, I don't mind it going off the page like that. I almost find it looks better when it's got a little bit of, like, it's not so perfect. Oh, look, this is the perfect washi to go with these stickers from Allie. Love these. Actually, that I think is much better. I'm happy with that overall result. So there is my overall spread and my last spread in my Archer and Olive. I really love the wintry feel of, and I love how Allie combines blue and green and brown and red, and it still makes a very cohesive collection. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.